We will learn about mixtures. First, we know that mixture is the substance which is made from more than one type of particles. As example, the tomato sauce, the mineral water, which is mixture of water and some minerals like calcium and magnesium, concrete, milk, vegetable salad or fruit salad, which contains more than one type of vegetables and fruits. Mixtures have some properties like that its components cannot react together and we can separate them easily because each component keeps its own properties, smell, taste, color, and we can add any amount of particles, any amount of substances in the mixture with any ratio, not a fixed ratio. So the components of mixture cannot react together and can be separated easily. Each component keeps its own properties. The components of mixture can be mixed at any ratio. Let's know how to form a mixture. There are three ways we can form a mixture by, like stirring, as in the mixture of salt and water, solid-liquid mixtures, shaking, as in liquid mixtures like strawberry juice, and grinding as solid pepper mixture, the solid mixture. These are the three ways to form the mixture. Now we will learn how to separate mixtures. The first way is using magnetic attraction, and this way is used to separate solid mixture, and it must contain magnetic material as sand and iron filings, as if we have a mixture of sand and iron filings, we can use the magnet and the magnet will attract the iron filings so we can separate them from the sand. The magnetic attraction. Second way is evaporation. If we have a mixture of solid liquid mixture like salt in water, we can evaporate all the water and then the salt will remain in the beaker and we can collect it and separate it from the water. And we can also collect the water again by condensing it on a cold surface. This is the evaporation process. Another way is the filtration process. And this process or this way is used to separate solid liquid mixture like sand in water, and we use something called filter paper which allow the water to pass from it and the sand keeps on it. So we can separate sand from water by using filtration and filter paper. And if the water contains salt, we can evaporate it and remaining the salt in the beaker. So we can separate sand and salt and water. This is the filtration process. The last one is using a device called separating funnel. And this device, we use it to separate immiscible liquid mixtures. The mixture contains two types of liquid that cannot mix together, like oil and water. So we can use the separating funnel to separate immiscible liquid mixtures like oil and water. Magnetic attraction, evaporation, filtration, and separating wire funnel are the four ways we can use to separate mixtures. So I want you, Junior 5, to get me an answer for the following question in the next lesson in the school. How to separate a mixture of salt, sand, and water. Again, how to separate a mixture of solid salt, sand, and water. Thank you, Junior 5. See you next lesson.